Yo guys, it's Dami back with another video. Today we're gonna do a late night POV drive. Well, it is the same day as the video I made earlier, but this is late night POV drive. We'll have a little 20-minute drive. I'm just gonna go pick up my girlfriend, and yeah. So 20-minute late night POV drive. Hope you guys would enjoy it, to be honest. And I'm gonna catch you in the car. You guys can see. Okay. Okay, guys, we are out. We are on our way for this late night drive. I'm gonna hit the Gardiner Expressway real quick and then just dip off at South Kingsway. And hope you guys pretty much will enjoy it. Minor stop. Are the leaves on the ground today? Oh yeah, it was windy earlier, like super windy for some reason, but I think that's all gone now. So yeah. Okay. What even happened? She was 21. Now Teen Savage. Don't let me go. Is too young. I'm gonna take Sherwarn and Dundas. Or should I go straight? I knew he was gonna change. I knew he was gonna change. Okay, hope you guys are ready to hear this. In second gear, it does go. Like, I'm gonna merge now. Not that bad. Lots of standing water over there. I don't want to be there. Like, there's so much standing water on that side. I don't know if you guys can see on camera, but there's lots of standing water, and I don't want to be there whatsoever going 100 kilometers an hour. I'd rather be safe and feel the tarmac or feel the asphalt, you know? Here they had to reduce the lanes. Can't even see the lines on this thing. Lot of rainwater on that side as well in the dip, so I'm just trying to be in the middle because it's the one that has less water everywhere. So that's what I'm gonna do to try and be safe out here. just like that, we're out. You know the usual. Lower the revs, lower the gears, I mean, not the revs. From the inside, looking at it from the outside. I feel like my windows are open. I can hear the wind out there. It's just gonna be chill, so I'm gonna put our cruise control at 50 and let the car handle all that, and then slap it back in automatic. So yeah, because the limit here is 40, so I'm just gonna do like 10 over, which should be fine. The guy behind me is it's not really behind me like that so much, so that's okay. One thing about cruise control in this car is that it would try its best to maintain its speed. So what it does by doing that, it lowers the gears and then it revs high so like it's engine braking with the gears. So that's one thing I've never experienced in a car that this car has. I don't know if it happens to other cars, but when it happened to this car for the first time, I was surprised. I'm like, oh, that's sick, because you know, back home, my mom has a Lexus ES350 with 272 horsepower from 09 V6. So like that's quite punchy, more punchy. Actually, I think this might be as punchy as that car would be. Haven't driven that car in over 2 years now, so I really don't know how punchy it is anymore. But yeah. So far, this is a beautiful car. Very smart, very, very smart. I don't know why he was hesitating so much to go in between that bus. You can't be hezzy, man. You can't be hezzy when driving. You just gotta do it. It's either it's in you or it's not. A lot of people, it's not. It's not in them. But it is what it is. It is what it is. Sounds good for what it is. Another bus is gonna try and run. Yeah, of course. Of course. Yep. Of course. TTC bus drivers. A different breed, for real. A different breed of humans. So it wasn't recording. I don't know when it stopped recording. Someone just went through that. Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I don't know where it cut off, but hope you guys did enjoy it. Like and subscribe for more POV videos, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. To be honest, I hope it did record a lot, but if it didn't, I'm gonna be bummed. But yeah, I'm gonna see you on the next one. Peace.